Viola or Viola is a genus of flowering plants in the violet family. It is the largest genus in the family, containing between 525 and 600 species. Most species are found in the temperate northern hemisphere. Cultivars of Viola cornata, Viola calculata, and Viola odorata are commonly grown from seed. Violas are small flowers that vary in color and shape depending on the specific variety. Each flower consists of thin, delicate, and flat, curved petals with a soft, smooth, and silky consistency. The petals are also differ in color, some with solid hues of bright yellow, orange, royal purple, or maroon, while others display showy combinations of purple, white, and yellow, with dark violet splashes of accent coloring and striping. Violas are unique in the entire flower is edible, and the blooms contain a crisp, succulent, and tender texture with a faint perfume scent. The colorful flowers also bear a subtly sweet, vegetal flavor with light mint and wintergreen nuances. Violas prefer sun over shade, but they don't like heat. Violas are best grown in moist soil such as peat-based potting mix or garden soil heavily amended with organic material. Violas like a slightly acidic soil. Peat moss as a soil additive will help slightly acidify garden soil. Water regularly, but allow the soil to dry out before waterings. Plant violas with low-growing grasses like blue fescue and fairy primroses, Iceland poppies, ferns, artemisia, and lycium. In warm climates, there are good overplanting for spring blooming bulbs like daffodils and tulips. Violas are a source of vitamins A and C, nutrients with antioxidant-like properties to strengthen the immune system, boost collagen production within the skin, and defend the cells against damage inflicted by external environmental aggressors. In herbal medicine, viola is used for a variety of respiratory ailments, insomnia, and skin disorders. However, there is insufficient evidence to support its effectiveness for these uses.